How in the hell did a snake get in my damn air conditioner and get pinned between a fan and a wall? The house wasn't cooling and the air was running, so I come out here and the outside unit wasn't running. I hope this freaking motor didn't get burnt up, which it probably did, unless it has some type of switch on it. Freaking snake. Good thing about that is the motor didn't burn up. I thought it was like a $350 repair if it was the motor, give or take, to these little capacitors that I guess go out, and it was like 150 bucks, $170. So it worked out pretty good for us, other than the snake.